check it. Here we go. So because we're doing 3 teams, actually, Miss Martin, I let you pick, but now I'm going to do it the way I should have done it. Lindy's team, you're 1 and 2. June's team, you're 3 and 4. Addie's team, you're 5 and 6.
Wait, so what are we? We literally
6. So Addie's team is going to go first. And then Lindy's team, you're now 1, 2, 3. We're doing probability to pick whose team goes first. So Lindy's team, you're 1, 2, 3 now. June's team, you're 4, 5, 6.
Where's the spoon liquor?
2. So Lindy's. All right. So now, over here is our scoreboard. One person from your team can come up and write your team's name on the board.
Who has the next team right now?
So your name goes. Are you guys first, second, or third? You're third, right? So your name is going to go on You're on this side of the board. And James' team, yours goes in the middle.
Wait, okay. What do you guys want to do? Yes, we are.
Christian,
Oh my God.
I don't know.
I don't know how to do this. Wow.
If we get to it, we're heading into chapter 2.
Oh, we're really doing IKEA people? Oh my God.
Hey, there's an eraser. IKEA meatballs are delicious.
Oh my God.
Just make it famous. Just make it famous. All right, grab a seat. Let's talk about rules. You guys are ruining my whiteboard. So, hey, they can write without your commentary. Hey, how long is this going to take us, guys? We could, I could just say, okay, sit and do the closure. I'm trying to make it fun. You guys are making it difficult. Okay, here's how this works. A question will be chosen by me picking somebody from your deck of cards. Our decks of cards are in order based off that dice roll, okay? So now, when you pick a number, everybody in your team is going to be working on it. If you get the right answer, your whole team, the same answer you've all agreed on, the person who chose the question or somebody else from that team comes up to the Jenga tower. Wrong answer, one of the other teams has the opportunity to steal. So other teams, so I don't want you to miss what I'm announcing. So if you're asking a question, you're not listening. Other teams, you should be solving the problem at the same time because you'll have the chance to steal. Very confused. So, if your team, it's your question. So let's say Maddie chose the question. Maddie's team gets it right because Maddie will be the person telling me the answer when the team has all agreed. They get 4 points. They immediately get 4 points. Then Maddie comes up, or somebody from Maddie's team. If they choose a middle block, it's worth 3. If you choose an outer block, meaning middle being one of these, outer being one of these, right? So middle versus outer, because the outer blocks are trickier to take. That's why they're worth more points. If you knock the tower over, -10. Womp womp.
Wait, what would be -15?
Hey, these points have been years in the making. Students have helped me determine what points should be. This is the important part. The fine print. In Mega Jenga, you're allowed to hold the tower because this Mega Jenga tower is 1, really big, and 2, kind of old and beat up a little bit. So it's not as smooth as your set of Jenga at home. Once the block is pulled, and guys, I may be moving on to the next question while you're up here pulling a block because the other teams can go ahead and start the next question. You have 10 seconds to place that block on the top and like walk away, step away from the tower. You can actually, in that 10 seconds, tweak the tower. So what I mean is if I pull out this block and I realize like, oh no, I think it's gonna like it's kind of, I might shove it through. You are allowed to do that. Now what you also could do when you pull your block is like mess it up for the next team. But what has almost always happened is then the next team pulls it successfully, the next team pulls it successfully, and it gets back to the team that set it up like a booby trap, and they knock it over. So be careful, because if you set up a booby trap, you're setting it up for yourself too. You guys are already able to see some of the loose blocks. Yes, this is taller than regular Jenga. Yes, we could make it even taller. So, yeah. Margot. At least, like, so that's a great question. There is the top blocks, right? Top, so that's 1, 2, 3. You got to be at least down here. So, like, up here does not count. What do you guys think? What's fair? I mean, we're all playing by the same rules.
Below that.
Below the third? Okay, so 4th or below? 4th or below? 5 and below?
Alright, below.
I went there like yesterday.
Did you? Is that weird? That like. All right. So now this has happened before, where like somehow the tower randomly falls like 2 minutes later. After 30 seconds, it's not your problem anymore. Okay. So if somehow the tower falls like 2 minutes later or something, like it's not your problem anymore. Okay. It's only happened like once, but we went ahead and put it in the rules just to make sure. Yeah, so if you have telepathy and like you knock the tower over from across the room. So here's how this works. Yeah. I gotta check how many questions I put in here. My bad, I forgot to check our question screen. We have up to 21. So my bad, I had this reset and I forgot. So how this rolls is Addie, you get to pick first any number from 1 to 21. It doesn't matter. The questions are randomized. 9? Add 1/6 and 1/2. Show your steps. This is either on your closure or it's already been on one of your homeworks. It's on the back. Man, that is so cool. I just like now that your head is down, I just saw how like intricate it is. Did you make this? Is that paper? I know you're supposed to do that. So I can't make stuff like that. What do you need before adding? This is your opportunity to get your homework done because you have to do this problem at some point. Or you just wait until you're done with your guys. Do you have to wipe your hands off? Bro, you need more than this issue. It's all over your shirt. You need Doritos for like breakfast. This was a bad decision. You guys are ready? Addie, you are the question master, so you tell me when you guys are ready. And then you will have to tell me the answer and how. So, when you're ready.
Okay. What do I do when I'm ready?
So, you just like tell me. Alright, bring it back. Bring it back. Because Addie's team is ready. So, if your team's not done, that's okay. Addie, what did you guys get? You got how much? 8/12. Anybody disagree? Ooh, got some different answers potentially. So walk me through your steps then. Let's check that. It's fine. There's multiple ways to get to Florida.
2 times 6. So remember
Yeah.
the big one is 6.
Yep. So this turns into 2/12. This turns into 6/12. So either the answer here is 8/12, or you could have gotten 4/6, or you could actually write 2/3 if you want to reduce it all the way.
Dang it,
So So Addie or somebody from Addie's team comes up. Hey, either Addie or somebody from her team comes up. Once you pull your block, you write your score over there. Then every turn after this, you'll do the addition of what you got that next round. So, but if they come up here this round and pull out a middle block, or yeah, middle's not as many points, but let's go review the points.
It's
4 for,
getting the question right.
and then
Middle is 3, I think.
middle is 3, outer is 5, right? So you're either getting 7 or 9. You're either getting 7 or 9 each turn. When you get it right, you come get a block. Cool? Make it happen. We're moving on. So you send somebody up, we move on. Yeah. Crap, you forgot? Okay. That was 9, right, guys?
What team is the...
They are the Mr. Hudson's favorites. They said it, not me. They said it. I'm quoting them. Lindy, go ahead and pick a number between 1 and 21, or yeah, not including 9.
What is our thing now?
So you did outer block, so you get 9. And you can write like 9 plus if you want, because you're assuming you're going to get more points. Hey, Miss Howard. Maybe, because I've had one in here. It's plugged in back there, actually. That's what I was wondering. Sorry, Lindy, what? 7. Find the for the value below, find 2 missing equivalent values. So it is a fraction. So what is this as a decimal? What is this as a percent?
What question is that?
What is this as a decimal? It's 145B. I don't even think I made it say B, but it is B. Now we might have to remember back to what we do with repeating decimals. Yeah, unless I tell you you're not allowed. You're always allowed to use calculators.
There should be a calculator on your desk somewhere in the box.
Ooh, you can use your notes. You can use your homeworks. You can use anything you've got.
Whoa.
Well, I mean, when they're good ideas, they're worth sharing.
Yeah, but like,
Because sharing is caring.
caring is not caring when it comes to this.
90 seconds. We need an answer in 90 seconds. Did you guys use a calculator? Oh, 16. Oh, you're talking about the percent. Gee golly. I love it.
I know it does. There were millions of bats in the basement. And then after an hour, she goes by me. Okay, I stopped and I jumped out on her. She nearly had a heart attack. No. Stop it!
How do you read 1/6 differently? No, not make different numbers. How do you read 1/6 differently? Say 1. But it keeps going. So we need to show that it keeps going. How do we show that it keeps going?
They tricked me into cursing.
This 1/6 is telling you 1 divided by 6. 1/6 is telling you 1 divided by 6. Now be careful, make sure your decimal's in the right spot. How you said that, okay, how you're saying it is not what the screen says. There you go. So I'm guessing you guys got it?
Yeah.
All right, are you having a staring contest or what's going on back there?
No, they tricked me into cursing.
Whoa! You said E word?
No, they
Yeah,
told
he
me,
said easy.
they told me to say cough backwards.
All right, so Lindy, what is our decimal? Hey guys, anything that's on our review game, you should be aware could be on the mastery. Could be on the mastery. Sorry, something stuck in my throat. Could be. So Lindy, what is our percent there? 16.6. Repeating. Any disagreement? Any disagreement? No, because they're right. Make sure that's on your paper, because that's your homework, right? We're doing your homework right now. June. Pick a number between 1 and 21, not 7 or 9. 12. Oh. This one might make you swear.
Easy.
Ah! She said it.
Easy.
You guys better get this right. If you're calling it the E word, you better get this right.
You guys know.
Oh, it's not on this? Oh.
He literally told me.
Oh, I thought you were whining about it. No, it's not. I told you guys, about a third of these are not on.
I got graphic.
It's not on. A third of these problems are not.
I have graphic.
You can still write this down.
This might be on the
Why are there feet on the wall?
So you guys will get 7 points for that in the middle. Reminder, about a third of the problems on here are not on your closure. You can write them down on graph paper if you want. Or you can just talk them out with your team. As long as you know what the answer is, so you can give it to me. June, are you guys ready or you need more time?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right, so
Guys, do you have a whiteboard space right here?
June, this didn't even ask us for decimal. So what is the percent here?
25%.
Wait, no. He wants to explain the how.
I mean, yeah, I was gonna write it down and then say how'd you get there, but sure.
Well, so the way I got there, should I come up?
No, you can just talk.
Okay, so 20 times 5 is 100. So now we have like something that we can use to make a percent on the bottom.
Because
So-
percent needs 100 on the bottom.
Yeah, and so,
You're good. That pretty much tells people how to
and
get there.
so if we did 20 times 5, we do 5 times 5, which is 25.
Any questions? Because they're right.
Should I pull a Jenga block?
Yep. So
Next up,
12 is
Take a
gone.
side block, but don't go for the bottom.
Keegan, pick a number. Hey guys, only one person at the tower. Nope. Raphael, Alex, sit down. One person at the tower.
She's not even the group leader. It's
Yeah, we everybody gets a turn. Keegan, 15.
Yes, sir!
I don't think it's on the paper.
So do I write, how much is it?
9, because you did outside block. You guys are ready? Yeah, this is what Keegan picks. Good pick, Keegan. All right, Keegan, what does this turn into? You are absolutely right.
Is this anywhere on the paper?
It was on yesterday's homework, or 2 days ago. All right, come on up, Keegan, or somebody else. So if Keegan doesn't want to, he can pick somebody else. Destiny. Pick a number up to 21. 5. New problem. New problem.
Oh my God.
This is on your homework. So if you choose not to do it now, I don't care. But you got to do it later. So either do it now or you got to do it later. So even though you guys already did this one, they need a moment to think it through. So just double check.
Would this be 1/6? Wait, no, this would be 1/3.
Oh, wait, yeah, this one isn't right.
Oh, if you guys want white, I have little whiteboards too. Now be careful, that spot's a 5th. Yeah. Now this will need to be on your homework. I don't mind if one here, but will need to be on the homework. Yeah, this one's on there. This one's right here, bud. Yep. All right, Destiny, is your team ready to share how you guys did it? All right, you want to talk us through what you got and how you got there? 3 10s. How'd you get there? I'm sure. Hey, Alex and June and those people, and I mean Lily's team are pretty much. We're up here now. So So if you guys aren't done, that's fine, but they got it right, so they're gonna talk it through. You can like kind of just do it with us, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what'd you guys do?
So since the top is already taken up by 1/4, I already know that that's like a half, and you can also tell by looking at it. But I already know that's a half if you add them. And so then, if you look at the bottom, there's a half left, but it's divided into 2 sections. So I did, since I know half of 5 is 2.5, because I was trying to get the bottom length, I did 2.5, and I know that 1/5 is already being taken up. So I did 2.5 over 5 minus 1/5 minus 1 over 5
Yeah.
equals 1.5 over 5, and since that's a decimal, I just times it by 2 and I got this.
So Lindy actually made complex fractions a little tougher than it needed to be. If we use a common denominator of 10, and guys, the 4 doesn't really get to the 10 easily, but 1/2, if we put these together, a half can easily become 5/10. 2/10, we've got 7/10. What's left? 3/10. Questions? All right, Destiny or somebody else, come on up. 5 is gone. Man, Lindy's team has it figured out. They're up here doing all the problems they can.
Pick a middle,
during the
you'll make it
in-between.
fall if you don't pick a middle.
Gabe, pick a number.
Oh my gosh, we're picking a side bottom. They're done.
8. 8. 8.
15.
Oh, that's on the paper. That's the word fraction and percentage.
It is 45, like 145. Hey, Gina, you're not supposed to be up. There's one person at a time.
I wasn't helping. I was just
Sure, like the story.
okay.
Oh, was it an outside block?
Yeah.
That's 9 points, so you'll put like a. Really, we should be putting pluses in front of here. So if you do +9 down here, then we can do equals 16.
He put smiley faces on the person.
Dropping down. Guys, I hate to inform you, we only have 5 minutes left. I know, right?
What did you get?
We're gonna finish. Well, we're gonna play this for another day in class. If you want to do it as homework, you can. And then it's done.
Wait, who's this homework?
No. You got 1,000 over 50. It was 4.
I'm trying to get it. Oh, and then this one. Wait.
This one down. So we're gonna steal.
Oh, we're doing this? Okay.
They're disagreeing. Yeah, they're disagreeing. I know it's got 3 decimal places.
We get it wrong. You got not understanding. It's in
Are we about ready? This is Gabe's team, right?
Yeah.
We about ready? Are we ready?
Yep.
Yeah? All right. All right, Gabe, we're looking for fraction, decimal, and percent. So we have the decimal given to us. What about fraction or percent?
So for fractions, we got like our team got both 37.5
fraction?
Yeah. And for the other one, it was right will be 37.5%.
So, some of us probably wrote down 375 over 1,000, which is correct because tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Are you your polar? Gabe let you do it? So, either, yeah, dude, if it's Gabe's, if he gets to pull unless he tells you to pull. I mean, your card will come up eventually. Just trust the cards. So, 37.5% because it had that third decimal place. Nice work. Send somebody, Gabe, or yourself. Eight is gone. And Margot, pick a number.
Raphael, come back.
Up to 21. 3. 3. On that bombshell, that's all the time we got today. So wait. So hold on. If the spoon lickers were at 9 points and they went down, and they went down 10 points, they're at -1. Hey, I need your ears for 10 seconds. I need everyone looking at me. I'm trying to make a class announcement. We will play this another day, whether it's tomorrow or when we come back from camp. If you choose, Lindy, I'm talking. If you choose to do this outside of class, totally fine. Closure is not due tomorrow. I don't even know if I'm going to have class with you guys tomorrow, so stay posted. We'll talk at forum, but, I'm not trying to play gotcha. We're going to camp on Monday. That's my focus. So, turn in whatever homework you have done, but don't freak yourself out about it, okay? Clip this in. Have a wonderful day. 127, you should get it done. You should turn it in. We didn't check it because some of those problems are on this. If it's done, you can turn it in. Sure, if it's done. Yeah, some people already started turning it into it. That is also, yes, correct.
So we won, kind of.
I mean, for today, for the moment. I'll take a picture. Actually, can you put a -10 under the spoon lickers? Hey, Raphael, I need you to pack up and head to your next class so you're not late, dude. In the cup. In the glass right there. No, actually.
We're playing Mega Jenga. It's very fun.
Raphael, you need to put your shoes on and pack up, bud. Come on, we gotta go.